Hey, my name is John with CST Systems, and today I'm going to be showing you the torque-activated mechanical chuck by Renova, distributed in the US exclusively by CST Systems. If you take a look at our chuck, you'll notice right away we have some easy install features, making them ready to install on a wide variety of applications without any roll stand modifications. They are already set up with a double bolt hole pattern, allowing them to fit all four of the most common roll stand models in the US: BHS, Marquardt, Martin, and Langston. We have another easy install feature already built into the design right from the beginning. In the side of the flange, we have a hole cut in here for an RPM counter, if you need to have a sensor or magnet built in for your RPM system. Let's have a closer look at some of the chuck's remarkable features. Our standard jaw design features serrated expansion units. So by implementing the serrated jaw and creating an extra large contact area with the expansion units, we can easily grip worn and recycled cores. This means we can reduce slippage and dust and core debris created by core slippage. Our chucks also can be equipped with smooth or carbine-coated expansion units to fit your specific application. Your local CST rep will be happy to help you figure out what jaw option is right for you. Our jaws expand more than a ½ inch, so if you have an oval core or one that is otherwise out of round, this high expansion rate will compensate for that and make sure you get firm contact with the core. Our chucks are designed for American cores. That means that our 4-inch chuck is a 4-inch chuck and not a 100mm chuck. A 100mm chuck is only 3.94 inches. That may not seem like a big difference in size, but when you have a chuck that has a snugger fit to the core from the beginning, you're able to get full engagement faster and increase your splicing speed without sacrificing web tension. Earlier I spoke of our focus on providing a chuck that is designed to be easy to install. Now, more importantly, let's look at how our chuck is designed for easy use and simplicity of maintenance. We keep your plant maintenance team in mind. 3 components, that's it. As you take our chuck apart, you may notice right away how short our center bolt is. Why is that? Because our flange is made from one piece of forged steel. It's not bolted together or spun weld. That means our flange is inherently strong, and we don't need to compensate for soft metal and breakage points with extra long bolts and pins. You don't need to worry about our flange cracking under weight or pressure. Now let's look closer at our expansion units. I already identified our high rate of expansion and serrated jaws. We have extra thick tabs to make sure you don't need to stock replacement expansion units. Ours hold up for years. We also feature a simple embedded roller design. This roller allows the expansion unit to automatically center itself in the best possible location on the center cam, and you don't have to worry about lining up pins and rollers that fall out if you remove the chuck on the roll stand, or having additional contact points for dust to get caught in and cause core burnouts. The chuck housing itself is one piece. No joints that allow dust to build up inside of the chuck or places to get paper stuck. It has both sealed and grease bearings designed to withstand any level of side pressure your operators may use when aligning the roll stand arms. If you need to perform any maintenance on the Renova chuck, you can easily do so on the roll stand. No need to cart it back to the shop and sort out all those little parts. With our simple, reliable design, we are able to help our customers achieve consistent tension at any run speed with little to no maintenance. We offer several other models beyond our standard chuck, including ones like this one here. This is our WR1 chuck, designed for roll stands with built-in core ejection systems. Aside from sharing our simple, robust internal design, this chuck also features new waste-reducing features, like a double chamfer on the expansion units. This means smooth corners all the way around, so there's no chance of the expansion unit snagging on or tearing a core. Our core ejector plate is made from aluminum with a nickel coating, rather than steel. This means it's lighter. Why is that? It builds up less inertia, so while it still easily pushes off the heaviest rolls, it doesn't build up as much force and become a safety risk if the roll stand ejector arm gets stuck or malfunctions, which can be a problem with some OEM ejector arms. Another waste-reducing feature of this chuck is the cutout run-out ring here at the bottom. This is designed to keep operators from accidentally chucking up too far. It makes sure that the chuck makes contact with the core and not the roll or the paper. If you have manual roll loading, this helps stop operators from using too much side pressure and chucking up past the core and into the paper itself, reducing paper waste and helping plants achieve their goals of running the roll all the way down to the core. We stock a variety of chucks designed for thin-walled cores, different size cores, extended or reduced nose cone tapers, or for other roll stand manufacturers beyond the big 4. Don't have a standard application? No problem. You got an on-core size or core material? No issue. Our in-house design team will work with your maintenance or technical operations team to design the best custom chuck that's right for you. We love custom work. We do it all the time. We'll be glad to help you with your project. Do you have an application involving the need for quick change chucks, which require only the removal of one bolt to quickly change chucks for core sizes ranging from 3 to 12 inches? Or do you need a double diameter step chuck capable of accommodating 2 different core sizes without swapping out the housing? Need odd sizes or working with steel or plastic cores? We would be happy to help you design the best mechanical chuck for you. Numerous OEMs and countless corrugated and converting plants already count on CST systems. So whether you're looking for an off-the-shelf, ready-to-go corrugator chuck or a line of custom chucks made just for you, at CST Systems, we're here to help you safely achieve your production goals. With CST, you'll always know what's possible, and with the Core Chuck by Renova, you'll never lose control.